Hello and welcome to this video tour of the InSource Knowledge Center, where it's our goal to bring you the latest and most comprehensive information available to help make the sometimes complex world of industrial automation systems simple. The InSource Knowledge Center is a compilation of knowledge and information that's been captured and shared by the InSource subject matter experts as they work with their products and technologies on a daily basis. We cover the Wonderware product lines extensively, but also cover other technologies such as Microsoft Windows, SQL Server, Hyper-V, and VMware. We want to bring this information to you no matter where you are on your journey, from installing, maintaining the system, extending, and upgrades. We want to bring this information to you and make it easy to find no matter where you are. So today we'll cover sign-in and registration. We'll look at the content structure and browsing for information. We'll cover our very powerful search engine, as well as some other tools to help you make this information available to you no matter where you are. So, let's get started. You can get to the Knowledge Center simply by navigating to insource.mindtouch.us. That takes you to our sign-in and registration page, where if you have a username and password, simply enter those in and click Sign In. If you don't, you can fill out our short registration page here to get you started. If you forget your password, use this function to reset your password. So let's get signed in. Takes you right to the home page. When you first get started, don't forget to edit your profile. Fill out a few pieces of information here that will help us to serve you later. Now, to get back to the home page at any time, you can always click the home button, or you can click the head here in the header. Let's look at a couple different ways that content is laid out here in the Knowledge Center. First, as you can see down here, it's laid out by product. So you can see familiar products here like System Platform, InTouch, the Wonderware Historian. So when I drill down, I can see a standard interface here with categories such as documentation and tech notes and architecture guides. So when we have a look at documentation here, for example, we can see the standard documentation that comes from Wonderware for Application Server, and documentation is typically in the form of PDFs, and you can always see attachments over here on the right pane. Looking at tech notes, we can see articles listed here by most popular and also highest rated. Now, speaking of ratings, if you like an article, please let us know by clicking the Yes button. If you don't like it, click No and tell us why. We need this information to be able to improve the site as much as we can to meet your needs. Now, content is also laid out and browsable based on the type of activity that you might be doing. So for example, if you're just getting started with the product, you may need to understand how to license it, how to install it, as well as how to architect the various components. Looking at licensing guides, we see one here for InTouch for Terminal Services Licensing Guide, which is going to take you through everything that you need to know in order to license that particular product. Notice also this article is tagged with a tag called Getting Started, and we see that there are other related articles here that are also tagged with Getting Started. So we see architecture guides here, for example, and we see an InTouch for Terminal Services preparation guide here. So this is going to take you through and show you everything that you need to know in order to get started with that particular technology. So on the other end of the spectrum, you may have had your software installed for a while and you need to upgrade it. So we have a series of upgrade guides that are designed to help you plan and execute that particular process. So here we see one for upgrading to Wonderware System Platform 2014, which is the latest as of today. So here we see a procedure checklist, sort of a workflow for you to follow in order to make this process as easy as possible. So we see a process overview video. We also see videos on how to upgrade the individual components, such as the Galaxy repository and InTouch here. Also, note that we tried to make this as easy as possible in terms of providing you everything that you need to know. So we say you need to back up your current system configurations. Well, if you don't know how, simply click here and that will take you to our backup guide, which is a series of videos that are packaged together here in a playlist that will show you how to back up various components of System Platform. Now, the Knowledge Center has a very powerful search engine, and I want to demonstrate how that can be used now. For example, you may be working with the historian client in the Excel environment, and simply typing in historian client Excel here in the search bar, this surfaces several articles which may lead to a solution for you. Notice here we have the ability to filter our search results by various categories. In this case, I'm going to filter by support ticket. Someone else may have encountered this particular error that you're encountering and have called InSource Tech Support and was given a solution to that, and so there's a closed tech support log here that will help you to understand what to do next. And so we have approximately 12,000 support tickets and counting. So as we close support tickets, we're then adding those support tickets here to the Knowledge Center. So as we drill down into a support ticket, we'll see a problem. We'll also see the associated solution as well. Now, if you like your article and you want to be able to remember a particular article, it's easy enough to simply bookmark an article. Or if you want to email that article, you can simply click on the email page here. Or you can always save this article as a PDF. And note here that you can create a book containing this page and multiple pages all packaged together in one PDF. We hope you enjoyed this quick overview of the InSource Knowledge Center. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing InSource.